Animals all around us are great at making sounds. Just like humans talk to each other, animals also communicate using sounds. Let's discover some noisy animals and the sounds they make. First up are dogs. Dogs make a woof or bark sound. They use this sound for different things, like saying hello, showing they're happy, or warning about danger. Next, we have the lion. Lions make a loud sound called a roar. A lion's roar is very powerful and can be heard up to 5 miles away. They roar to say, "This is my home," to other lions. Cows are also good sound makers. They make a sound that we call a moo. They might moo when they're hungry or when they want to find their calf. Dolphins are another interesting noisemaker. They use a series of clicks and whistles to communicate, to sense their surroundings in the ocean, and for communicating with other dolphins. Finally, let's not forget about the hooting owls. Owls are known for their hoot sound. They hoot to communicate with other owls. Each species of owl has a different hoot, so you can tell who's who just by listening. These are just a few examples of the many animals that communicate by making sounds. So next time you're outside, be sure to use your ears. You never know what animal voices you might hear. The end.